Well, here it is. All 4 airbags popped. She gave her life up, saved Tabby's and mine. Engine won't start. Running rough right after the accident. Yeah, she's a fun ride. But she's gonna have to go. Oh. I'm gonna get my things from Tabby. One thing I got left are a couple things that I put on the car. I'll take those off before they take her away. But impact blew both panels off, both doors, both sides. The seat belts are permanently locked. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 airbags, all 4 popped. Hate to see her go, but that's what happens. Slow speed, about 25 miles an hour into a wall. Can't do nothing when you're sliding out of control and black ice.